Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. Ara. Today we are going to do a technical analysis of Nasdaq 100, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Russell, precious commodities, gold, silver, and some of the stocks which are showing upside in the market. So before we go ahead and start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, search on the YouTube Stock Dr. RR and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos on this channel. First of all, I'm sorry that I could not post video in last 2 months. I was busy in another activities. So if you want me to continue the analysis every week, I need some motivational support from you all. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and put your comments with your questions if you have any. And then I will start putting new videos every week. So let's go ahead and see the economic calendar. We are going to see the events which are showing major impact in the market. So I can see the major impact is coming on 2nd July. Fed Chair Powell speech is there, and then 3rd July we have FOMC minutes, and Friday we have non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. So I guess Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, all these 3 days show some important data coming into the market. So let's go ahead and open the trading view for the technical analysis. First, we will see the chart of Nasdaq 100. This is the day chart. Let's zoom it a bit. So this is a day chart. Today we are going to analyze all the charts, all the indexes and the commodities on the hourly time frame. So this is the hourly time frame of Nasdaq 100. Right now, 19,900 is an important support for the Nasdaq 100. The first upside target it is showing for 20,080. Second target it is showing for 20,250. If it breaks below 19,900, then you are going to see the two targets. The first is 19,750 and second is 19,550. These are the two downside levels only if it breaks below 19,900. Right now, the market shows flat direction, means it is doing some time correction. Based on the events coming on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, I guess market will show upside if the event gives a positive feedback. If negative feedback, then you will see the downside. The same will be for all rest of the indexes. So let's talk about Dow Jones. Dow Jones has very important support coming around 39,350. Remember, all the black line shows the resistance, black line shows the support, green line shows the upside target, and the red line shows downside target. So for the Dow Jones, if it holds 39,350, which is this, the first target is 39,625 and second target is 40,000, almost 40,000. And if we talk about the downside, if it doesn't hold 39,350, then the first downside target is coming around 38,870 and second target is coming around 38,300. Now let's talk about S&P 500. For S&P 500, this is hourly chart. On hourly chart, you can see 5,500 is a important rounding number, which will act as a support. The first target would be 5,550. Second target is 5,585. If we talk about downside, if it breaks 5,500 and sustain below it, the first target is 5,450 and second target is 5,400. Now Russell. Russell, I am bit optimistic on the upside for this chart, especially because of this pattern you can see here. I'm just zooming out. You can see here on the longer time frame, on the hourly chart, This was the resistance. You can see here this dotted blue line. It broke the resistance, then came inside. Again, second time it broke resistance, came inside. Third time it broke resistance, came inside. Fourth time it broke resistance, achieved the first target of 2085, and then again retraced. Means it took some time correction, and now I think it will again go back toward 2085 as the first target, 2120 as a second target, and third target is big, that is almost 2160. Only criteria is it needs to stay above 2050. On the contrary, if it breaks 2050, then the lower targets are 2025 and 1995. These are the two targets for the downside. Let's talk about the precious commodity gold. On our hourly chart, gold has a support area. Okay, support area means this stock can lie between 2335 to 2300. This is a support area. The first target is 2385 and second target is 2435. Let's talk about the downside on this index. So to talk about the downside, let's adjust the chart here. Okay. Just a moment. So for the downside, if it breaks below 2300, then you will see the target of 2250 and 2200. 2250 and 2000. So let's talk about silver. Silver is having some interesting chart. Silver, I have the support line of 29.25, meaning if it stays and sustain about 29.25, then we have first target of 30.25, second target of 31.25, and third target is 32. So silver can give a major upside if it holds 29.25. If it doesn't sustain about 29.25, then downside first target is 28.25 and second is 27.25. Now we are going to discuss some of the stocks. The first stock is ASPN. Okay. For this stock, I can see the support area lies between 23.50 to 19.50. If it holds this support area and it starts going up, then first target is 28.25 and second target is 31.75. Then we'll talk about Broadcom. For Broadcom, there is a support area lies between 1570 to 1430. If it managed to stay above 1570, then the first target is 1725, second target is 1845. The next target is Dell. The next stock is Dell. For Dell, the 135 is acting as a support as of now, and there is a good chance that it can reverse from its support and it can go for the target of 150 and 165. If it breaks below 135, then there can be a downside in this stock. The next stock is DFS. This stock looks interesting to me. The chart looks very good. Discover Financial Services, it has a very good support area between 126 to 128. Right now, it is trading almost at 130.75, and I am looking for the target of 138, which is almost 8% upside from here in uh, very less sessions, you can say. So keep watch on this stock. The next stock is Shift for Payments. Somebody asked me on the channel to check on this stock. So for this stock, I can see 71.50 is a support. If it holds this, then it can show around 79 and 85. The next one is Micron Technology. For Micron Technology, I can see the support lies around 129. The first target is coming around 135, and the second target is coming around 144, and third target is coming around 154. The last stock we have is now, Service Now. For Service Now, let's see what it shows here. Yeah. So for Service Now, you can see here there is a trend line breakout. Okay. Let me adjust the chart here. You can see here there is a trend line breakout. This is a trend line breakout. I will show you on the day chart also. This is the trend line breakout which I can see here. And I think, yeah, this is the chart. Uh, Support is lying near 700. So support is far actually from here, but it is looking for a quick upside. The first target of 850, 15, second is 850, and if it stays above 850, then 900 will be the next target. So this is all about today, my friend. As I mentioned you before, please go ahead, subscribe to our channel, Stock Dr. RR. With the bell icon, you'll get notification of all future videos. And if you have any questions, please drop on the comment box and I will reply as soon as possible. Till that, keep learning, keep earning. You have a good one.